Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the RZR and installing the roof. The part number is right there. This is the Polaris aluminum roof. And if you're a little bit on the short side, you may need a little help. Okay, to get started, you need to take a T40 star bit, take out that screw and the one on the other side, and then you get these nut clips that you need to install right here. Okay, the next step is you take the foam pieces that came with the roof and they get installed, and you got to make sure that they line up with these little marks on the roof. Okay, now that the foam is installed on the roof, it's time to put the roof on, and I already have my hardware ready to go. Okay, I snugged the bolts down. It recommended 8 foot-pounds of torque. I just snugged them down really good to where the bolts won't back out. Came out really nice, good fitment. Very pleased with this OEM product. Give me your comments down below, guys. Tell me what you think of it. All right, that's going to be it for today. We'll catch you on the next.